FAQs about Parodia Buiningii, a personal guide. I've had the pleasure of growing Parodia Buiningii, a charming cactus with a distinctive appearance. It's often admired for its unique features and ease of care. Over time, I've fielded a lot of questions about this plant, and I want to share what I've learned. Here's a comprehensive FAQ guide on Parodia Buiningii, based on my own experiences. What is Parodia Buiningii? Parodia Buiningii, sometimes known as Buiningii Parodia, is a type of cactus native to South America. It belongs to the family Cactaceae and is known for its globular shape and dense spines. The plant produces small, bright yellow flowers in late spring or early summer, which add to its appeal. How to care for Parodia Buiningii? Taking care of Parodia Buiningii is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key points to remember. Light. This cactus thrives in bright, indirect light. A south or east-facing window is ideal. Too much direct sunlight can cause sunburn, while too little light can slow its growth. Watering. During the growing season, spring and summer, water the cactus thoroughly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. In winter, reduce watering to once a month. Overwatering is a common issue with cacti, so always ensure the soil drains well. Soil. Use a well-draining cactus mix or create your own by mixing regular potting soil with sand or perlite. This helps prevent root rot and promotes healthy growth. Temperature. Parodia Buiningii prefers temperatures between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, during the day and slightly cooler at night. It can tolerate brief periods of lower temperatures, but should be protected from frost. How to propagate Parodia Buiningii? Propagating Parodia Buiningii can be done through offsets or seeds. Here's how. Offsets. Look for small, baby cacti growing around the base of the mature plant. Gently twist or cut them off with a sterile knife. Allow the offsets to dry for a few days to form a callus before planting them in a new pot with cactus soil. Seeds. Sow seeds in a seed tray filled with a cactus mix. Lightly cover the seeds with soil and keep them warm and moist until they germinate. This method requires patience, as it can take several weeks for seeds to sprout. What to plant with Parodia Buiningii? Parodia Buiningii pairs well with other succulents and cacti in a mixed planter. Consider combining it with Echeveria. Their rosette shape contrasts nicely with the globular form of Parodia Buiningii. Lit hops. These living stones offer a unique visual contrast and thrive under similar conditions. Haworthia. With its distinct foliage, Haworthia makes a complementary companion to Parodia Buiningii. Is Parodia Buiningii toxic? Good news for pet owners. Parodia Buiningii is not toxic to cats, dogs, or humans. However, its spines can be sharp and may cause irritation if touched, so it's best to handle it with care. Benefits and common problems. Benefits. Low maintenance. This cactus is perfect for beginners due to its minimal care requirements. Decorative. Its unique appearance and bright flowers make it an attractive addition to any collection. Common problems. Overwatering. The most common issue is root rot caused by excessive moisture. Always ensure the soil dries out completely between waterings. Sunburn. If placed in direct sunlight without acclimation, the cactus can suffer from sunburn, leading to discolored patches. Comparing Parodia Buiningii with similar cacti. Parodia magnifica. Both Parodia Buiningii and Parodia magnifica are globular cacti with spines, but magnifica tends to have larger, more prominent flowers. Buiningii, on the other hand, is smaller and has a denser arrangement of spines. Rebutia. Rebutia is another small, spiny cactus. While it shares a similar growth habit with Parodia Buiningii, Rebutia usually has a more elongated shape and produces orange flowers. Conclusion. Parodia Buiningii is a delightful cactus that adds a touch of beauty to any collection. Its easy care requirements make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts. By following the tips above, you can ensure your Parodia Buiningii remains healthy and vibrant. If you're considering adding this plant to your collection, I highly recommend it for its unique charm and minimal upkeep.